welcome to another episode on our channel. I've never gotten a figure from Studio, but what I like about who sent this to me, which was a used item, is that they put kind of ding protectors on the bottom of the box. Not on the top, but at the bottom. So, assuming that the figure came out this way, grab the box. So it came out this way. All right. You would hope it would have protected, because there's no dings that I can see on the ding protectors. But there are dings right here. Not much here. There was one on the bottom here. This one right there. And then on the back. Woohoo, big one. I first saw this one. I said, oh, finally, I get a box with only one ding on the back. What do you know? And then I looked at the front. Of course, it had dings. All right, so I'm sure this came pre-dinged. And the ding protectors didn't add any more dings, amazingly, to the box. So I don't think this has been opened, actually, because 2 circular pieces of tape are on here. So I'm going to open it maybe for the first time. I don't know. I've never gotten a figure from Studio, so I don't know how this is going to turn out. But we will find out. We had airplanes going over, and my dog hit a dog dish. So let me open this up. I really like it when you can open it up like a shoebox. It's so cool. And I love it when they have foam in it. So this is the Joker. You guys know I saw Suicide Squad 2016 and 2021. Of course, the Joker was in it in 2016, so the first movie. And I decided, let me go ahead and get him. So he looks pretty darn good. Yeah. Yeah. And I wanted him in the tuxedo. I didn't want him in anything else. So I won't bore you with making you watch me take this stuff out, but we will be right back and I will show you what he comes with. He doesn't come with a lot of accessories. There were 3 openings in the box for hands, but he had 2 hands on, and I only found 1 hand in one of the openings, so I assume that these 2 were in the other openings, or I got shortchanged with 2 hands. I don't know. But this hand here, the left hand, has the trigger finger really pronounced. This hand, for the right hand, has a slightly pronounced trigger finger. You can kind of see it there, right? And this one's more of a gripping action. So, and I have to say, these are the most rigid hands I've ever seen or felt before. I mean, they're not flexible on any level. It's going to take a lot of hot water to make anything fit in there if it doesn't fit nicely already. The cane slipped in very nicely on this side. I don't think I'm going to pose them with weapons because I'm not really a fan of the weapons. The cane is made out of metal, so it's metal with golden hues on each end. It substantially weighs something, so I think I would put that in this hand and just have it steady itself, hopefully, and not fall over. Ooh. All right. And The handgun is made out of metal. There's no moving parts. The magazine doesn't come out. It doesn't slide back or anything. And I'm sure that's how they got away with making it into metal. No moving parts. And in the same hue of purple as the cane is, with elements of gold on it, and definitely a white handle. The assault weapon is gold and white. Only a few moving pieces. The stock does come out and does bend into place, so you can put it against your body nicely. The magazine does come out, so you can take it out and put it back in. It's not an issue. What else? Oh, this thing where you feed bullets into it. Very loose though. No spring to it, no nothing. And I'm not into gold on weapons. So I would use the purple thing before I would use this thing. But chances are this is plastic because they wanted to have some moving parts on it. This is metal because they didn't really think they needed that element of moving parts. So time for the turn tray. We'll get them on that and be right back. I really wanted Joker in the tuxedo, and this is the only one that was offering that, so it worked out. We'll go around so you can see them. Now the gold and purple toned cane is coming into view, which again matches very nicely with the handgun here against his black outfit. All right. I do like the fact that he has gloves on. I do not like the hands are so rigid there's no flex to them at all. I love the shoes that are black and white. And the outfit looks fantastic on him. He looks really good. Just going to go here and then over here. And now we'll zoom in on his face. So here is Jared Leto, who played the Joker. On the right side of his eye is a star. On the left side, underneath his left eye, is a J. There are some scars on his face, but at the top, you can see the word damaged, hopefully, on his forehead. So there he is. Here's one final look at all the figures we have so far for the Suicide Squad. I still want to make Diablo from the first movie. So we have from the first movie in 2016, we have Will Smith, who played Deadshot, Margot Robbie, who played Harley Quinn, Jared Leto, our man in focus today, who played the Joker, and Daniela Melchior, who played Ratcatcher 2. She was in the second movie. Harley Quinn was in, the only one really in both movies out of this ensemble. But this dress came from the second movie in the shooting scene that I liked her the most in. I'm kind of sad they didn't bring the Joker back in the second movie because he was by far the most notorious antagonist they had. So anyway, what can you do? I love these characters. Like I said, I do want to add Diablo, and then I think I will be done. So I hope you've liked what you've seen. If you have, consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. In the meantime, everyone, please have a great day.